I think the data product, it needs to be solving a business problem. You need to be able to find it. So that's where we talk about discoverability. It needs to be governed so we can trust it. It needs to be secure. There's a whole list of things that we need the data product to have, but it boils down to it's probably a set of data tables that are exposed out into a dashboard through an API. There's a range of things there. And I think it's also important to recognize that data products can feed other data products. So it becomes a little bit of a recursive process where you build on top of them as you go. I think the reason it's important for us as an organization right now is I get probably 3 or 4 emails a day from people asking for a dashboard. You don't need a dashboard. What you need is access to the information, access to the insight. And often a trap that we can fall into, if you like, is if a data team just services the requests it gets blindly, and it's never blind, but if you just do exactly what you're asked, you will end up repeating a lot of the same work, and you're in danger of going back and reinventing the wheel every time, as opposed to embracing the wheel as the most important thing that humans have ever invented, because it changed so much in the history of civilization. And my point here is that you've got to interpret what's the business asking for, and what do you need?